everyone, happy wedding weekend. I literally cannot believe it's my wedding after an entire year of planning and prepping and going to Solid Core and having vendor meetings. I just cannot believe the weekend is finally here. I just dropped off everything for a rehearsal dinner tomorrow at the Hotel Monaco. I started off my day with an F45 workout. It left me feeling absolutely amazing, and now I'm about to go get my nails done. They look terrible. They're super chipped and super grown out, but I'm gonna do some white chrome acrylics, and I'm also getting a pedicure, which I never get pedicures, so that feels like very luxurious. And I'm gonna have a relaxing afternoon at the nail salon, and then Nick and I are gonna go to dinner and have just some time tonight together. Our last night as like fiancés. Well, I guess tomorrow's our rehearsal dinner, but our last like private little date night. And I just want to take you guys along with me for wedding weekend as much as I possibly can. I'm so excited, and I just literally can't believe it's here. Good morning and happy Friday. It's a rehearsal dinner day, and I am drinking coffee out of my bride cup. I am gonna get ready, and then Nick and I are going to take all of our wedding decor over to the Lamont, which is our venue. And then we'll call our hotel and see if we can get an early check-in and go over there and take all of our stuff over there for wedding weekend, and then get ready for the rehearsal dinner. So that's the plan for today. We'll see. Hopefully we can get that early check-in. It's looking a little overcast now, but hopefully it clears up and we can have a nice day. Our rehearsal dinner is partially outside. We have like a rooftop, so we really want to use it, but we do have a backup inside in case it does actually rain. There's my fiance.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited. You're excited for the whole weekend.
Mm-hmm. Are you nervous?
A little bit.
What are you nervous about?
Oh, just everything's gonna go okay.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any predictions for my wedding dress? I think we already talked about this.
I think we did, and you keep saying I'm gonna be surprised, so I think I'm way off.
What do you think it's gonna look like?
I think I mentioned, I don't even remember what I mentioned.
What do you think?
Like something with lace and patterns and white.
We'll see. We'll see if that's true or not, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll just see tomorrow.
Yes, we will.
And how many signature drinks do you think you're gonna have at our wedding?
I'm gonna have at least 2 of mine and probably 2 of yours.
I think I'm gonna have 2 to 3 of mine. I'm not gonna have any of yours because yours is what the doctor ordered, and it's basically an old fashioned with honey, right?
Mm-hmm.
And mine is an Aperol Spritz with a splash of cranberry, aka the strawberry blonde. And his is called What the Doctor Ordered. So we thought we were pretty clever with those. So Nick went to go get the car, and this is everything we're bringing to the Lamont. He already took 1 bag. And we're also bringing 2 easels and our seating chart and a welcome sign, which I'll show you guys real quick. This is our seating chart. It's white with gold acrylic, and I really like how it turned out. And that's our welcome sign. It's still in the bubble wrap to protect it on the way to be transported. We just dropped off our decor at the Lamont. We had a little heart attack because we thought they weren't there, but then we called them and we got it figured out. So mark off 1 thing off our to-do list. And now we are going back and getting our stuff for wedding weekend, and then we're gonna go check into our hotel. So this is the bridal suite. We just checked in. Let me show you guys real quick. So we have this big, beautiful area over here with a couch to get ready at, this beautiful lampshade, ample room for getting ready pictures. I love the decor. We brought our bottle of Vouv here. And then you come into this area here, and there is a huge bathtub and jacuzzi, and then we have this beautiful bedroom right here. It looks absolutely stunning. There is so much storage here. It's wonderful. Here it is, you guys, my wedding dress. It looks literally incredible. And the veil. I literally cannot believe it. It looks insane. I'm so happy. So I'm back in the bridal suite. We grabbed lunch at Ritual House. I had a chicken salad and then we got some iced coffee at Dunkin'. Nick went to his room and I went to my room, and I'm gonna change and get ready for the rehearsal dinner. I decorated all of these bridesmaid bags and put them here, and the bags for my mom and Nick's mom. They're the smaller ones in the front, but they have robes, hangers, candles, and little mirrors that have each of the girls' names on them. So I'm really proud of them, and I think they look really aesthetic. So I'm just getting ready in these PJs from Lulu's because I have a getting ready outfit tomorrow, but I didn't bring a robe or anything. And I don't want to put on my rehearsal dinner dress and like get makeup on it because I can step into it. I don't have to pull it over my head or anything. So getting ready fit for rehearsal dinner. The Hotel Monaco just gave us all of this except for the Move. We brought that, but these little macaroons and some wine and some water and a little note. That is so sweet. Fit. It's by the brand Likely, and I got it from Bloomingdale's. And then these shoes are Steve Madden. And yeah, the only jewelry I'm wearing is my engagement ring and these earrings. I was gonna wear bracelets, but then I hated how they were like dangling, so I opted for no bracelets. And then this is my makeup in the mirror. And honestly, this is probably my favorite outfit that I have had like all of wedding season. I'm obsessed with the sleeves. I got this back in January on sale at Bloomingdale's, but I'm gonna bring my marriage certificate. Hopefully the church will take it tonight so I don't have to mess around with it tomorrow. But yeah, I think I'm all ready to go. I kind of wish my bangs were a little bit shorter, but that's okay. They blend in well, so that's good. And yeah, I'm super excited for the rehearsal dinner. Can't wait to see everybody and have some good food here. I'm here with my groom. He's all dressed up. I can't decide. I pinned a little bit of my hair back. I can't decide if I should keep it like this or take it down. We're on the way to the church. We just saw my friend Katie, and it was so fun. It made me so excited to see her. We took some pics in the lobby, and now we're all ready to go.
For the church. Yeah. Well, we should do that.
Smile, everyone. Say hi.
Hello. Please. Think about the card you chose. And take that image from your brain, take it to your shoulder, down your elbow, down to your hand, and make that ink magically warp and change from that 8 of diamonds to the card you chose. Don't say it out loud. Just think about it and make that card change. Have you done it? I don't want to touch it. Take your hand off and look at it. That was my part.
Good morning, you guys. It is wedding morning. It's literally 5:50 in the morning and I'm about to hop in the shower. I ordered some Starbucks and our hair and makeup artist is coming at 7 and so are all the bridesmaids. So it is a pretty early morning. Let's go get my Starbucks. We secured the Starbucks. I'm waiting for the bridesmaids and my mom and my hair and makeup to get here. Yeah, and I'm really excited. I didn't sleep very much last night. I feel like I fell asleep for a couple hours and then I was like tossing and turning from like 2:30 to like 4:30 literally. But We're gonna have an absolutely fabulous day. It's gonna be the best day ever, no matter what. So, cheers. I'm sure it's the effort that's already gone into it.
Sports and like there's a gym and like.
Oh yeah, that's what I do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, and then I was looking at body pins, so I think you're right. No, I think this will hold better. And then I have this little thing like
Way too fluff.
It's okay, take your time.
The dress was alright.
We are fluffing the veil.
So this boutonniere is next.
Okay, we'll scoot up.
Okay, yeah, you gotta fluff. You guys, I'm back from the wedding. It was like the best day of my life. Like literally, if you're planning a wedding and you're just like freaking out about it, just don't, because it will end up being the best day of your life. It was so fun. We danced for so long. Our signature drinks were perfect. Everyone loved them. I feel like everything just went so well and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna end up the vlog here and we're gonna start a new vlog for Cabo. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed wedding weekend. It was literally the best weekend of my life. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And this is the aftermath of the most amazing wedding ever. All the stuff from my detail shots. My flat lays, they still look gorgeous. These newspapers. The Veuve that we didn't drink, all of our Dunkin' bagels, all of the mimosas. It was seriously the best night of my entire life. I had so much fun, and people were also saying it was the best wedding they had ever been to. Now, off to Cabo. Trying our wedding cake.